Discovery is a very important part of a litigation paralegal's job. Discovery because it usually involves a lot of documents and a lot of information. Discovery is formal requests for information propounded from one side to another. And so what the litigation paralegal does is take the questions that have been sent by the other side and get the information to answer the questions from the litigation file, from the case file. And the questions are everywhere from basic background questions on a plaintiff or defendant, their educational and vocational, professional background, date of place of birth. Could involve driver's license information if that were relevant to the case. A lot of that type of information, and the paralegal's job is to know what information the attorney will or will not want to provide to the other side. So of course, bear in mind everything I'm talking about here is for eventual attorney approval and signature. So the benefit of having a good litigation paralegal is paralegal can go through the file and get all the information to answer the questions, can pull the documents and assemble everything and put it into the proper legal format. Maybe first the attorney wants the paralegal to get the client's okay on everything, depending on how big the case is. If it's complex, it may require a lot more client input. If it's a routine automobile personal injury case, the plaintiff can usually put everything together, get the client's verifications, that is, the client, the person answering the questions, the plaintiff or defendant, the party answering, must sign all discovery answers under penalty of perjury with a verification. The paralegal assembles this package and presents it to the attorney for the attorney's signature on the document. And then what happens next depends on that office's procedure. Generally, the paralegal then serves everything on the other side. And of course, remember, you're an experienced paralegal, you're a litigation lawyer, you know, all of this doesn't get served at court. It gets meticulously filed in preparation, perhaps, for a motion or something like that, depending on what the attorney wants. So there is my spiel on discovery paralegal. A very good use of a litigation paralegal's time by a litigation attorney is in discovery.